checked on me when I needed. So I just stack my bread, stay in my bag and not in my feelings. Overthink too much, I get distracted, start to deep it.
Hey guys, welcome back. For those of you that don't know, I started a new software business last week, and my goal this week is to onboard my first 2 clients. I've got to get 6 clients, I'm pretty sure, to cover the cost of the software, and I've officially got to start paying next month. So I've got a month to get 6 clients total. My overall goals for this week is to start cold calling. I'm aiming for 75 to 100 people a day on the days that I don't have work. I've got sales calls with 2 to 3 that I've already contacted so far, so we'll see how those go. My first task of the day is to create some cold call scripts for me to use for when I start cold calling possible clients very soon. So I'm gonna grind that out and then I'm gonna start doing some cold calls.
Alright,
let's hit 50 cold calls. I'm gonna do more tomorrow, maybe 100, because 50 just isn't enough for the conversions I'm getting. Right now I actually didn't get any clients booked in for a call, which kind of sucks, but I guess it's just a volume game and just monitoring what scripts are working and making tweaks like that. Someone from my cold calling list just called back, and I managed to book an in-person meeting to kind of demo our software. So I'm going to meet in person with them next week, and hopefully we can lock in a client.
Yo. All my L's, they call me the V. Yo, she and I fuck my ex, got on sexy red in the V.
It's a new day and I actually slept in for 30 minutes, so I'm a bit behind schedule. We've got a whole list of things to do, so I'm just going to start working straight away. We're going to do some more cold calling today. We're going to aim for 100 cold calls. Hopefully I can book some more appointments. So far I've got a sales call booked for today at 5 p.m. and then we have an in-person meeting booked next week at Tuesday, so that's 2. Hopefully, I have one that I'm currently texting right now, kind of book an appointment for Friday, but hopefully we can book some new ones on the cold calls today.
Sitting at this table for one, reflecting on the days in the month, tipped the way to with love, I said.
Alright, I just jumped off my final cold call. On my last cold call, I managed to call someone and it sounded like a really good chat, and he actually already sounded pretty into it. It's for this Friday at 10 a.m. I'm gonna have to prepare a lot for that, but I'm so happy. Hopefully we can lock in this client. But bro, cold calls are literally such a drag. Like, you're going through them and you're like, fuck, this is such a waste of time. But out of nowhere, you can get honestly one of the best leads. So today and the next few days, I'm really gonna have to lock in. Alright, I just jumped off the sales call with a physiotherapy clinic that I contacted last week. The only thing that's stopping him from the close is the cost of SMS is too much for what he's paying now. And that's really annoying because it's something I can't change in the software. So I'm going to try see if I can solve that problem. But if not, I'm going to have to find some way to provide value if I want to close. So we'll see what happens there. Alright, I just called the person I just had a sales call with and gave him some solutions. He's happy with one of them, which means we officially onboarded our first client ever, baby. So I'm super excited. I've got to do the setup process. It should take like 2 weeks maximum. It'll probably be done in a few days, but it's good to give them a bit of extended time so you can over deliver. So yeah, that's 1 locked in. Hopefully we can lock in 3 more this week and I'll be very happy. Another thing is, for one of my meetings on Friday, one of the main core offers the client is looking for is SEO for his website. But I literally have like never done SEO. Like, I kind of know a little bit about it, but I hardly know much. It's Wednesday night. The meeting's Friday morning. That gives me like 1.5 days to fucking grind SEO. And one thing I have learned from my entrepreneurial journey is urgency is everything and money loves speed. So this is going to give me no option but to master SEO. So as stressed as I am, I know I'll learn SEO faster than I ever have. So yeah, let's go. Let's get started. Alright, I can't lie to you. SEO seems so fucking hard. I don't know how I'm going to fulfill this, but it's going to have to be done. I might have to reach out to some people that are familiar with SEO and ask for their help. But I was pretty naive to think I could get SEO done in less than 48 hours. Alright, hey guys, it's around 7 in the morning. Got up pretty early today, getting straight to work because I've got a lot of shit to do. And for the in-person client tomorrow, for their meeting, I've made a strategy plan PDF because I can tell over the phone they are gonna need a lot of reassurance. So I've made a PDF. I am gonna just quickly edit it and then I'm gonna print it. So it's like a nice hard copy I can give to them. Just like little things that, could make a difference in the long run. So yeah, I'm gonna get to work for that. All right, so I just got the printing done for the strategy plan document for my client. So let's check it out. Oh, that looks good. I can't lie. That looks good. So yeah, can't make a good first impression twice. So let's hope these little things pay off.
Everyday hustle like William, I'm charging the chicken just for the verse, yeah. I get in that kitchen, I could go to work.
Okay, can't lie, I've been trying to do this SEO stuff. Kind of difficult to wrap my head around. So I've got two parts. I can either just learn myself and avoid to pay for software. And I found the software that I can find the cheapest is like $97 a month. Or I can outsource it. For those of you that don't know, this book, The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss, is literally a bible for how to outsourcing. It has like the best websites to outsource and everything. So for anyone else that's in the same boat, read this book. So after some dilemma, I decided I'm not going to outsource SEO. Two reasons why I'm not going to outsource SEO. The first reason, I'm just simply not in that stage of my business to start outsourcing. Like I have time. And the second reason is I realized I'm just outsourcing because I can't get over this obstacle. And in the entrepreneurial life, you're just a problem solver. I can't just outsource because I can't figure it out. And it'll be a good challenge for me as well. That'll have, a huge learning curve and another high income skill for me to add to my assets. I decided I'm just going to power through. I just got to get it done. Like I haven't even dedicated 4 days to properly diving into SEO. So how can I just think of outsourcing it? So I was like, what the hell am I doing, So hopefully I just sign up that client and, we can get some SEO results for him. I spent like the last 3 hours sort of learning it and I'm starting to wrap my head around it, which is great. The main obstacle that I find right now is that the business isn't making money for me to invest in an SEO tool. So I'm either going to have to invest it with my own savings, which will probably just have to happen. But yeah, hopefully that bread returns.
Yeah, I'm out here on the road. You can hear it in the voice.
Hey guys, it's currently Friday. I've got 2 sales meetings today. The first one's online, so I'm in shirt and trackies attire because it's on Zoom, so they won't see. And then the second one's in person, so I'm just up a little bit just to make a good first impression. The first one I'm less nervous for because it's a bit more of a warm lead, but the second one I booked an appointment off a cold call, so I'm a bit more nervous for that. I also realized my nervousness will kind of go away with more practice and the more sales calls I do. It's kind of like competence over confidence sort of thing. Around 8:30, I'm gonna start my first sales call. Hey guys, so I just finished the first sales call and the first one went well, but the client was just interested in getting a website done. So that doesn't require too much like ongoing cost for me. So I can do that for quite cheap. She doesn't need any automations or anything. So that'll be quite easy. I'm just gonna get back to it with pricing and hopefully we can lock it in. And then the second client, I got fully dressed up and everything, printed all that stuff out. And just as I was walking out the door, they texted me saying that they can't do the appointment anymore because something had happened on their side with the business. So they have to deal with some stuff today and they're hoping to reschedule next week, which is all right. But yeah, it's still a bit bummed. And yeah, I know these type of things happen a lot in terms of rescheduling and all that. So hopefully we can lock in a date and time for next week and then do the meeting then. But yeah, it's a bit of a bummer. So yeah, let me write up a plan for what I want to do today and grind out some work. But with some good news, I got some new stuff from Amazon for my setup. So let's set that up and I'll show you what the new setup looks like.